Well, I don't think we had a plan. Um, there's no passion in the game. I think the coach could not read the game any longer. Salis came in late. I would pair Amate and Jiku. Salisu is not in the game. And the second goal was from his side. Amate and Jiku, I know people say Amate is... No. Amate knows what AFCON means. Amate knows it's his last AFCON, perhaps. He'll die. He'll put anything in. Amate Jiku is a better defense than Salisu and Jiku. The midfield had no plan. I'd also move Nuama to the left. I know Jordan was running the left, but they were lost at the left side, and Nuama could have had a lot of opportunities there. Against Egypt, I don't know.